cleared into Van Nuys Class Delta, northeast of Van Nuys along the 118 freeway. Westbound, advise when you're in VFR conditions or when you're clear of the Van Nuys Class Delta. Transition at or below 2,500 permitting.
2 Echo X-ray, advise in VFR condition, and then we stay on the 118, we're currently at 1400, and we have 0235.
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, thank you. And once you clear Van Nuys Delta, did you want to talk to SoCal?
Affirmative, 2 Echo X. Tower for 2 Echo X-ray, can we start, go ahead and start turning to the southwest course to 11?
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, approved. And are you transitioning in VFR conditions?
VFR condition 1500, 2 Echo.
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, thank you. Contact SoCal now 134.2 for flight following 34-2.
34-2.
X-ray ident. So X-ray, yeah, you're still on a 1200 code. Are you requesting flight following? Two Echo X-ray, what do you say intentions? 2 Echo X-ray, you're still too low level for flight following at this time. Two Echo X-ray, SoCal.
Est-ce que tout vivait toi, si négativité tu existais?